Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll tell you that how you can enable Siri access on your logged iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your settings and you need to swipe up and you see that there's an option Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it, and under this option you can clearly see that there is an option allow Siri when logged. You need to enable this option, so by enabling it, it will give you access to your logged iPhone and it is still listening to what you are saying. So let's do an demo. I'm locking the phone. Okay. Hey Siri, make a phone call to Shahroz on WhatsApp.
Calling Sheraz Masood with WhatsApp.
You see that it's working, and that's how you can actually use Siri while your phone is locked. I hope you understand it, and this video is helpful for you to make your iPhone experience better. Bye bye.